This video is about how to plant Ampalaya. Ampalaya is a climbing vine that can reach a height of 5 meters. Its young leaves and shoots of the Ampalaya can lower type 2 diabetic patients' blood sugar levels. The 3 essential requirements in gardening: space for your containers, clean source of water, sunlight. Satisfy these basic requirements to encourage your plants to grow. Also, consider the habits of the plant and which part of the plant is medicinally useful. Method in growing Ampalaya is planting it with seeds. For a consistent plant stand, seeds are needed to be pre-germinated. The seed coat is manually punctured to allow water to enter and pre-germinate the seed. Leave it in overnight to hasten the pre-germination. The following day, prepare to plant the seed, then water it. After 5 to 7 days of germination, a bitter gourd seedling will grow. When the plant is 15 cm tall, place V-shaped trellises are placed near the plant to encourage leaf formation. Pinching terminal branches and daily flower removal dramatically improve leaf production in makiling variety. In general, cropping season lasts up to 6 months. Flowering begins 45 to 55 days and after sowing and continues throughout.